In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Ads lead form assets effectively by following some proven best practices to help you capture more qualified leads directly from your ads. Let's begin by heading over to the Google Ads website. Once there, click on the Sign In button and log in with your account credentials. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads dashboard, your central hub for managing and optimizing campaigns. From the left-hand menu, click on the Campaigns tab. This is where you can view, manage, and monitor all your ad campaigns in one place. It's also where you can make important adjustments to improve performance. Once you're in the campaign view, look for the Assets section. This is where you'll manage creative components that enhance your ads, including lead forms. Click on Assets, and at the top, select Create Asset. A list of options will appear. Choose Lead Form. This is where the real magic begins. The lead form asset allows you to collect information directly from people who interact with your ads, such as their name, email, phone number, or any other details you need. When creating your form, focus on keeping it simple, clear, and engaging. Ask only for essential information. Too many fields can discourage users from completing the form. Use short, friendly prompts that make people want to take action. Next, write a compelling headline and description that clearly explains what users will get after submitting their information. Whether it's a quote, consultation, or exclusive offer, make sure the value is obvious. Strong incentives lead to higher form completion rates. Visual appeal also matters. Choose relevant images or branding elements that make your form look trustworthy and consistent with your ad style. This builds confidence and encourages users to share their details. Once your form is ready, you can link it to your chosen campaigns or ad groups. This ensures your lead form appears whenever someone interacts with your ad. Monitor the performance of your forms regularly through the campaign dashboard to see how many submissions you're getting and how they convert into real leads or sales. To sum it up, Google Ads lead form assets are one of the most effective tools for capturing potential customers directly within the ad experience. Keep your forms concise, your message clear, and your design inviting. By following these best practices, you'll make it easier for prospects to connect with your business, and that means more leads, more engagement, and better results from your advertising efforts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where we continue unlocking the full potential of Google Ads.